teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Jia Sanjeev Pandya. I am studying in 2nd standard. Today I am say one speech on Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891 at Mahoo near Indore in Madhya Pradesh. His full name was Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He was the first Law Minister of India. He is called the Messiah of Dilips. He was 14th child of his parents. He is called the Architect of the Constitution.
Good afternoon everybody. My name is Arpita Yadav. I would like to say some speech on Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891 at Mahoo near Indore in Madhya Pradesh. His full name was Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He was the first Law Minister of India. He is called the Messiah of Dalits. He is called the Architect of the Constitution of India. He died in the year 1956. He was given the title of Bharat Ratna in 1990.
I am Shivam, Standard 4, Division A. Good morning everyone present here. Thank you for allowing me to speak up in the auspicious occasion of Ambedkar's Jayanti, who has always been an inspiration for me. Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated every year on the 14th of April. Bhimrao Ambedkar was born on the 14th of April 1891. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. He was a strong advocate of equality between all castes of Hindus and women's rights. He played an instrumental role in the formation of the Indian Constitution, which is the basis for governing our country. On the 14th of April every year, we are reminded about the massive influence his work still have on our day-to-day life. We have a lucky as such a great man amongst to us. With these two words, I stop here. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Kavirul Mondal. Today I am here to say few lines about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti. Babasaheb Ambedkar, known as Bhimrao Ambedkar, was a social reformer and inspired the Buddhist movement in India. He is the father of the Indian Constitution and the brain behind the drafting of the Indian Constitution. He was the first law minister of the country in the year 1947. He renounced Hinduism and became Buddhist in the year 1950.
Good morning, madam, teacher and my dear friends.
I am Lakshmi from 6th B. Today I am going to say a speech on Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was popularly known as Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was born on 14th April 1891 in Mau village in Madhya Pradesh. His family was of Hindu Mahar caste who were treated as untouchables. He had to face untouchability in society and school. Dr. Ambedkar passed his matriculation in 1907. He completed his MA and PhD from Columbia University in America and studied law in England. He was an Indian jurist, economist, politician, and social reformer. He inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and worked for the rights of the Dalit. He always stood for the equality of untouchables and other lower castes. He realized the importance of education and inspired the backward classes to get educated. He played a major role in framing the Indian Constitution and hence is called the father of Indian Constitution. Dr. Ambedkar left this world on 6th December 1956. The great works he did for India will always be remembered by the country.
Good evening, madam and teacher, my dear friends. Today I am saying speech on Ambedkar Jayanti. First, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was an Indian jurist who was also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was born on 14th April 1891 in Mau village in Madhya Pradesh. He was popularly worshipped and considered as the leader of the Dalit community of India. He played a major role in framing our Indian Constitution and hence is called the father of Indian Constitution. His later life was marked by his political activities. In 1990, he was awarded with Bharat Ratna, which is India's biggest civilian award. He inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and worked for rights of the Dalits. He always stood for the equality of untouchables and other lower castes. He realized the importance of education and inspired the backward classes to get educated. He was the first law minister of independent India. He is a legendary personality in the Indian history and a true hero of our nation. Thank you.